The FN F2000, created by FN Herstal in Belgium, debuted in 2001 as a modern bullpup assault rifle. Using 5.56 by 45 millimeter NATO, the F2000's compact design is ideal for urban combat. Notable for its fully ambidextrous controls, it's friendly for right and left-handed shooters alike. While its futuristic look attracted attention, it requires careful maintenance, which some users find challenging. Currently in service with special forces in Belgium and Slovenia, it's prized for adaptability but criticized for its complex upkeep.